Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to delete Snapchat story on your iPhone. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have already posted a story over here in the Snapchat, and I'm going to show you how to delete it. So first you have to open the Snapchat. Now from here over here you can see at the top left there is an icon which you have to tap on this one. That will take you to your profile, and if you scroll down you can see there is an option which is called My Story. As you can see, if you check over here, I have already posted a story. So the My Story, apart from this, you can also view how many people viewed your story on this particular icon as well. So if you want to delete it, all you have to do is just press and hold like this, so that you'll be getting an option, three options: delete, save, snap, and send snap. From here you can go for delete snap, and you can go for delete and snap once again, so that it will be completely deleted. That's a quick video about it, and I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.